A power supply is an electronic device that converts electrical energy from one form to another, providing a stable and consistent source of power for electronic circuits or equipment. Its accuracy and reliability are crucial for the proper functioning of electronic devices and testing equipment. AC power supplies convert AC power from the main supply to a regulated AC output voltage. They come in single-phase and three-phase configurations, each with specific rectification and filtering processes. An AC power supply consists of a transformer, rectifier and filter. The transformer steps down high voltage AC to a lower voltage AC. The rectifier converts AC to pulsating DC, and the filter smooths out the pulsating DC to produce a regulated DC voltage. The output characteristics of an AC power supply are determined by peak voltage, average voltage, and RMS voltage. These measurements help in understanding the voltage waveform produced by the rectifier and filter. DC power supplies convert AC power to a regulated DC output voltage. They are available in linear and switched mode configurations, each suited for different applications requiring low noise and low ripple voltage. This diagram illustrates the internal circuitry of linear and switched mode power supplies, showing the rectifier, smoothing circuit, and stabilizing circuit components. Linear power supplies are less efficient but simpler and more reliable, while switching power supplies are more efficient but complex and can cause noise and electromagnetic interference. A DC power supply consists of a transformer, rectifier, filter, and voltage regulator. The transformer steps down high voltage AC to lower voltage AC. The rectifier converts it to DC. The filter smooths it, and the voltage regulator maintains a constant output voltage. The output characteristics of a DC power supply include ripple voltage, load regulation, and line regulation. These characteristics ensure the DC power supply provides a stable and consistent output voltage. Power supplies are essential for electronic devices and industrial applications, providing a stable and reliable source of power. They are designed to operate in harsh environments and ensure the proper functioning of electronic devices.